Alright, Flash Masters, let's get started. It is Thursday, March 26th. That means week 2, day 4. It's our 7th remote learning lesson. Let's get started. As always, we're going to start off with our slides, our PowerPoint. Going through those slides gives us exactly what to do step by step. I want to remind you that we're going to be having office hours twice a day, once at 10:30 to 11 and then 1:14 to 1:44. Log on during those times if you need help. We'll be on Friday, not on Thursday, but we're going to get started on Friday. We're going to have a challenge for everyone who hops on there in quizzes, so I hope that we'll be seeing a bunch of you in there. This is where you need to choose your video. So if you are in Blackbeard's Bootcamp, then you are in the right place. You want to click on where it says Day 3, the video that I'm making right now, for that link. If you are in Code Combat class, then you are in the wrong place right now. You should go to the proper video. Make sure that you are following along with that. Now, if you're in Blackbeard's Bootcamp, you have been working on this Guess the Number game since Monday. Let's scroll down to 3:26 for today. You have one thing to do, which is to enter 3 different conditional statements. The first one, if guess is less than number, print too low. So I've marked where you should be adding that. It says under where it says count plus equal 1. So anywhere down here is fine. Anywhere here is fine as long as it comes after this line of code on line 16. You want to add these 3. So the second one is else if guess is greater than number, print too high. Then the third, print you got it, and it only took you. That's where you're going to insert that variable count and concatenate that so that it prints. I added in a warning here. Make sure you're indenting so that your conditionals are inside of the while loop. There's also another thing you need to watch out for. That is now considered an integer, so you're going to have to convert that back to a string. I'm going to leave it up to you to look up how to do that. The reason we are going to be doing that, if you run your code, it says guess the number right now. I'm going to guess 5. Oh wow, got it on the first try. Cool. I'm going to try that again and guess 5 again. That's not the number. But since I don't have any context for what the number is, I'm just going to keep blindly guessing until I get it. And there you go. We want to make it so that the user can get there sooner and they know exactly how many times that they guessed. Once you're done updating your code, you're going to be posting a link of your code to the Google Classroom. So for the 3:26 assignment, I'm going to be posting that very, very soon. You're just going to add your URL link and then submit. Then you are done. Before I let you go, I want to talk about updates to Corona Wars. First of all, please stop letting the guild whoop on y'all. Like, come on. Like, him and Cassidy have been watching y'all this whole time. Thank you, Ashia, for stepping it up. Bobby, I see you. You're doing everything you can to stay in the game. Get your girl Shantae in there. Get your boy Nyamke in there so y'all can take over. This Friday, like I was saying before, we're going to have a quizzes spar review with everyone. That means all 4 classes, 1, 2, 4, and 5. This is going to be a great way to catch up in points. We could get a big upset if you know your Python. Join in on Friday. We'll see you then. Please, if you haven't been getting these extra credit points, make sure you're doing that. It's easy credit. Get it done. And then finally, for some bonus participation, you can complete the Meme Master 2 survey. It's up. Get that done. That's all I have. Thanks for everything. Plus Ultra.